College basketball, Tuesday, November 8th. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. It's good karma for you. Wisconsin, Milwaukee versus Purdue. Bandits Early Bird Special. Start your day with a winner. Bandits Early Bird Special. And check out Bandit's Late Night Special. Have you been losing all day? You need a winner? Check out Bandit's Late Night Special, the late game of the day. Bandit's Early Bird Special, early game of the day. Wisconsin, Milwaukee versus Purdue. Money back Bandit playing. Over 141 points total. Over 141 points. Money Bandit king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Money maker out.